Hello everyone, welcome back to Pet Labs. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best gifts for cat lovers. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Pioneer Pet SmartCat the Ultimate Scratching Post. The Pioneer Pet SmartCat the Ultimate Scratching Post is a must-have for any domestic with a furry pussycat. The put-up is crafted from durable and fibrous sisal, a fabric that certainly conjures up scratching. The publish stands at 32 inches tall, so it encourages cats to stretch vertically, operating their muscular tissues in addition to their claws and imparting the intellectual and physical stimulation a cat wishes. The Summit comes in impartial color to suit and with any decor and has a wide, robust base to ensure that the put-up stays upright no matter how lively the cat receives. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Twin Critters Handcrafted Cat Cave Bed. The Handcrafted Cat Cave Bed with the aid of twin critters is crafted from 100% herbal merino wool. The cat cave is huge sufficient for Maine Coons and provides the proper location for kittens to refuge. The cave is handcrafted in Nepal and is completely chemical unfastened. It is alternatively made using the art of felting, giving it an exceedingly tender but durable finish. If kitty doesn't like the cave, it may additionally be flattened and used as an extra gentle cat mat. At number 3, we have the PetSafe Drinkwell Platinum Cat Water Fountain. All cats need non-stop get entry to a supply of clean ingesting water, and that is exactly what they have got with the PetSafe Drinkwell Platinum Cat Water Fountain. The unfastened fall circulation encourages cats to drink more, whilst the 168 fluid osmobility manner fewer journeys to refill it. The water is filtered through a replaceable carbon water clear out to get rid of terrible odors and tastes. The movement may be adjusted so that it flows on the right fee for kitty. The fountain is crafted from BPA loose substances and is dishwasher secure. At number 2, we have the Kitty Cat Original World's Best Cat Perch. The Kitty Cat Original World's Best Cat Perch is Humane Society approved and clean to enshape the use of massive suction cups. The perch can be used interior or outside and attaches to any glass or mirrored floor. Each of the giant suction cups can hold 12 pounds and the frame is made from long-lasting and strong plastic pipes. The hammock itself is made out of climate-resistant material that is simple to smooth. The flat drowsing floor is straightforward for kitty to go into and exit, and their Favorite blanket and toys may be effortlessly accommodated. And finally at number 1, we have the Petmate Aspen Cat Self-Warming Beds. If you're searching out a present for the proprietor of an older cat or one with mobility troubles, then Aspen Pet Self-Warming Beds through Petmate could be just what you're seeking out. The round pet mattress is the best size for most cats and includes heat-reflecting era. The interior layer of the bed reflects the frame warmth of the furry feline to provide warm temperature and luxury whilst they sleep. The bed has a non-skid backside to hold it competently in region on any sort of flooring and is lightweight, so it is straightforward to choose up and circulate if needed. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this gifts for cat lovers, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.